Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Beetle trunk. First, locate the release lever, typically found inside the driver's door jamb near the floor. Give this lever a firm pull upwards. You should hear the trunk latch disengage. Then, simply lift the trunk lid gently to access your storage space. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Sometimes, you might use an alternative method. Many Beetles have an exterior keyhole on the trunk lid itself. Simply insert your key and turn. Also, check your key fob for a dedicated trunk release button. A quick press often does the trick. If the trunk isn't opening smoothly, inspect the latch for any obstructions like loose items or dirt that might be preventing it from fully releasing. For safety, especially if someone is accidentally locked inside, there's an emergency release. You can usually access it from the rear seats by folding them down or directly from inside the trunk. Look for a small, glow-in-the-dark handle or lever. Pulling this handle will immediately unlatch the trunk, allowing for a quick and safe exit. It's an important feature to be aware of. To keep your Beetle's trunk operating smoothly, regular maintenance is key. Consider lubricating the latch mechanism with a silicone spray every 6 months to prevent sticking. Also, ensure the rubber seal around the trunk opening is clean and free of debris to prevent water from entering. For more great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. Keeping your trunk in top shape ensures easy access for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.